live in Okinawa for 6 years. And today I'm going to show her how to cook ochazuke. It's very light, easy meal. We eat that especially for breakfast or like after you drink. Like say you want to finish with something like rice.
So after people drink at night, they eat this?
They eat this. Today I'm thinking to just make ochazuke with the sake. It should there are many ingredients. Like you can use sake, which is salmon, or this is like a pickled plum. Have you heard of it?
Yeah.
That's this is very sour, but it's like a traditional Japanese food. But you can use that or some other fish. Could be anything. So now I think we're gonna bake the salmon. Maybe it's better. You can leave it and then take it after grill because it's much easier. You can just cut like 4 pieces or something. Yeah. And then this salmon has saltiness already. Yeah, it's salted salmon. So what kind of Japanese food do you like?
The osaka pancake?
Okonomiyaki?
Yeah.
Do you like that?
Yeah.
I think it's done already. So maybe we can make it like 2 kinds, like one with a plum, and then one with the salmon, and you can taste both. I just bought it in the mainland in hojicha. It's like a roasted tea. So that's why it's like but you can also use green tea. Take them and try not to put the thorns. So just pick up like some leaves. Maybe you can tear so that has more smell. For now, like you can just pick up piece and then just trying to make it kind of small piece and like flakes sesame. Looking good. Okay? Yeah.
いただきます。